Wow. Did anybody see what Putin did? Hey, a lot of black people hate Putin. At this moment, a lot of black people hate Putin. And a lot of white people hate Putin. And a lot of black people now started to love Putin. The president of Russia. I am the only one that speak about Putin a lot on the internet. Everybody speak bad about Putin. And what I'm saying, the man is not a bad man. Now people get to realize Putin opened the archive of all of the European icon of the black Jesus and the black Madonna. But guess what? Those icons is drawn by the European white people. So don't get shit twisted. Don't get it twisted. Those icons that they have in Russia, that was in the vault for all these years, they have been drawn by the Europeans and hidden away from the public for a very long time. They do not have the original icon of no man you call Jesus. Because there's no man born named Jesus. Read my lip. The word Jesus is a made-up name by the white people. So you have to be careful. That's why when the black people call on Jesus, he don't respond. Because that's not his name. Look, the man born, his name supposed to be Emmanuel. Then they say his name is Yahshua. Then they say his name is Christ. Now then they said his name is Jesus. So which one of them? No, they have to come up with the real name now. Because they have all of those black icons. And the black people love that. They get excited when Putin revealed the secret of the white man. They get so excited. So now, what are you going to do, black man? Now Mr. Putin show you all of the icons that been hidden away from you for many, many years. What are you going to do? Are you going to still call the name Jesus? Are you going to think it's a fake? Because white people start cursing out Putin about his agenda. What is his agenda of releasing all of these right now? So they pissed off right now. Huh? No, you didn't hear me. White people pissed off. And black people pissed off too. Those that believe in the Jesus. I am the only one been telling you since 19. 1986. That there is nobody born named Jesus. Nobody born named Jesus. I have been doing public access for a long time. And I will bike all of my program, bicycle, all my program, ABC, NBC, CBN, all of them. And they also give me hard time. Because I'm telling them there's nobody named Jesus. And Putin just reveal it to you. That them icon is drawn by European white people. And also the Ethiopian Orthodox Church, they're doing a lot of bullshit. They got the white Jesus and the Virgin Mary, icon white, into the Orthodox Church. If you don't think that is some bullshit, I don't know what to tell you. Now they're coming up with some whole icon of the black Madonna and the black Jesus. Huh? What do you think? So black people is playing game with black people, and the white man is playing game with the black people. And the preacher is playing game with the black people because they can't find them direction. They cannot find the direction of who they are and what this earth is all about. Because all the Christians believe there's a man in the sky who's going to come and save them and redeem them. Huh? And that's all I'm talking about. I've been doing video for a very long time. And what these people are talking about, that's not what I talk about. And I bet them to prove me wrong. And they cannot. Because there is no one born named Jesus, and there is no one coming named Jesus. Case closed. Case closed. But the people get caught up because the white man fooled the mind of the black people. What do you mean? He made up a book and he put all type of stuff in the book. How do he make the book up? He went up into Africa and he take the whole grandfather scroll that they write from right to left. From right to left, they write. And they did not use vowels in their language. And he take that scroll and change it around. You know, we still got a scroll. They're in the they're in the English Museum in London. They're there. Are they hide them away? Or are they there for you to see? Plus, some of them are in the Catholic archive. Way down. No. Tell my people the truth. Tell my people the truth. You've been hiding for so long on the Bible. You've been hiding with the Bible.